So for this slide, we defined external respiration, gas transport, and internal respiration. When we say external respiration, it also called as pulmonary gas exchange, involved the oxygen being loaded and carbon dioxide being unloaded from the blood. And when we say internal respiration, it defined as in internal respiration or systemic capillary gas exchange, oxygen is unloaded and carbon dioxide is loaded into the blood. And lastly, gas transport, defined as oxygen is transported in the blood into two ways. Most attaches to the hemoglobin molecules inside the RBCS to form oxyhemoglobin, or a very small amount of oxygen is carried dissolved in the plasma, while carbon dioxide is transported in plasma as bicarbonate ion or a smaller amount.